Good afternoon, everybody. Today we will be talking about the cylinder press. My name is Mark Wagner and I will be presenting this to you on behalf of Group 5. So today, briefly, we're just going to discuss the overview of the mechanism, how to operate the cylinder press, and any applications that you might have for the cylinder press. First, the overview. Looking at the picture on screen, the cylinder press is a simple mechanism. There's two pieces, the top and bottom plate, that are retracted or expanded away from each other using the ratchet and handle. Both the top and bottom plate in this picture have a felt pad, and that felt pad can either be used to push apart two objects, or it can be replaced with some sort of fastener to pull two objects together. To use a cylinder press, there's just 4 simple steps. There is a release mechanism on the box as shown in the previous picture, and that must not be engaged to increase the length of the cylinder press. Once the cylinder press is in place, all that has to be done is crank the handle clockwise. If the handle is rotated counterclockwise without engaging the release mechanism, it will not extend or retract. It will stay in place. This is a safety feature to disallow any possible or accidental retractions that could cause physical harm or harm to a machine. To retract, all you have to do is simply push the release mechanism and rotate the crank counterclockwise. This will retract the cylinder press until it is a small enough size so that the cylinder press can be removed from its position. Now, some simple applications of the cylinder press. Law enforcement and emergency personnel can use the cylinder press to open damaged cars or locked doors. Car mechanics and machine shops can use the cylinder press to hold up the car so that an object can be placed underneath it, or the underside of a vehicle can be accessed. Or the machine shops can use it to hold 2 pieces of metal or 2 objects together so they can be fused together or they can be worked on. Woodworking and carpentry can use it in a very similar way, as it allows a piece of wood to be held still if you're using 2 cylinder presses in the form of a clamp. Or what you can do is you can have it hold these 2 objects together in such a way that they can be positioned exactly how they need to be so they can be fastened. The cylinder press can also be used in everyday homes. If somebody wants to change the oil themselves or they have a flat tire, the cylinder press is small enough and easy to use that it can simply be stored on the back of a car. Overall, the cylinder press is very simple and an outstanding mechanism that is highly suggested for use in everyday life, and anybody can use it. Thank you.